What if I told you that you could summarize an entire hour-long YouTube video in just seconds, or turn a lengthy article into clean, organized notes automatically? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Welcome to NoteGPT.io, the AI-powered tool that is changing the way we learn, study, and consume content. Let me show you exactly how it works. That's where NoteGPT comes in. NoteGPT is an AI-powered platform designed to help you summarize, take notes, and extract key insights from virtually any type of content in seconds. Whether it's a YouTube video, a web article, a PDF document, or even an uploaded file. NoteGPT just advanced AI to break it down into digestible, well-organized, summarized, and notes. First up, the YouTube video summarizer. Simply paste an YouTube video link and NoteGPT will generate a full transcript, a concise summary, and key takeaways, all in seconds. No more watching 2 hours lecture just to find that one key concept. NoteGPT pulls it out for you instantly. AI mind maps. NoteGPT can automatically generate a visual mind map for your content. This is perfect for visual learners who want to see how ideas connect. You can customize, edit, and export this mind map for your studies or presentations. Got a long article to read? Just drop the URL into NoteGPT and it will give you a clean, structured summary with bullet points and highlights. It works with blog posts, news articles, research papers, you name it. PDF Documents Summarizer. You can also upload PDF file and documents directly. NoteGPT will analyze the content and provide summarized key points and even let you chat with the document. All those benefits and more you will find it in the link in the bio, or you can go to directly to NoteGPT.io, sign up a free account, install Chrome extension and post your link, and you will get benefits and more.